If your GoHighLevel website is not loading, it can be caused by various factors like internet issues, browser settings, or GoHighLevel server downtime. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a different network to verify. Verify GoHighLevel server status. Check if GoHighLevel is experiencing a server outage by visiting their status page or contacting support. Clear browser cache. Cache data can cause loading issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the website. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions may interfere with website loading. Disable extensions and try accessing the website again. Try a different browser or device. Switch to another browser or use a different device to determine if the issue is browser specific. Ensure correct domain settings. For custom domains, check your DNS settings to ensure they are correctly pointed to GoHighLevel servers. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to GoHighLevel support for assistance. Provide details of the problem and any error messages.